Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is just a little quick one. I'm debating, I've said on another video, I'm debating what kind of seat I need for the Street Glide, the Harley Davidson. I'm thinking it definitely has to be a step-up seat. So there's two seats I have in mind. One is the Saddlemen Step-Up and the other one is the LePera. What I need from you guys is a bit of help. Tell me which one is better if you know. So type S or Saddlemen in the comments below, or L or LePera for the LePera, and then I'll make a decision and see which one I'm going to go for. I think I'm leaning towards one more than the other one, but if you guys can help me out, that'd be great. So new seat coming. Which one's going to be Saddlemen or LePera? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll wait for the next video and then we'll do the final reveal. Thanks guys, see you on the next one, bye.